Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you guys how to upgrade your laptop RAM. So before we continue, I shall show you my current RAM, which is 8 gigs with using the single channel. And in order to take advantage of the dual channel, I need to have another slot in slot number 2. Unfortunately, you can see I don't have any, so I'll be using my Gskill RAM. And I also want to show you guys that you can actually mix brands of RAM without having issues. So let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is you want to remove the battery like this, and after that you want to take your laptop and then kind of press and hold the power button for a few seconds to ensure that all the electricity has been discharged. And once you're done, flip it back, and now you can begin to unscrew all these screws. And in the battery area, only the 3 silver screw is enough. So yeah. Okay, so once you're done, you want to start by pulling up from the battery area slowly, and after that you just walk around the laptop. You may need to apply some force in, but just be careful. So you'll come off like this. I shall do a quick run through of the components inside. So here is the heatsink that is connected to this for the GPU, and here is for the CPU. And as you can see here, here's the Toshiba hard disk drive right here, and here are the 2 RAM slots, this one and this one right here. We'll come back to that later. And this is the M.2 SSD, and here is the Wi-Fi card. Okay, so let's begin the upgrade. So when you're about to slot the RAM, you make sure that this notch is aligned with a notch over here. You can see one small little gap in between. Make sure they are in line. So when you want to insert, put it about a 45-degree angle, and then push it in. And then when you push it in already, you just press it until the clips locks into position like that. Then let's say if you ever want to take it out again, you just slowly just kind of push this bracket outwards like this, and it'll pop right out. So yeah, so when you put it back, just push it down. Okay, so now let's put back the cover and screw it in. You want to hear the click sound so that you know that it's securely in place. Once everything is secure, you can start screwing back in. And now you can place the battery in and see how it goes. Okay, after that, now that I just rebooted, and I shall show you, here's the memory, and now it's running on dual channel. So now it will run on 2666 megahertz instead of the 33 megahertz. And as you can see from this CPU Z, you can see the slot 1 using the KLEVV RAM, and slot number 2 will be the Gskill. So these two RAM can be worked with different manufacturers. So yeah, that's about it, and thanks for watching.